Hello, everybody. Sorry if I sat there for just a second. I've got this new software that I'm testing out for broadcasting. It looks pretty cool. It's got some interesting stuff to it, but I'm not used to it, and so I'm not quite sure exactly when it goes live. I'm Dr. Ty with Port Bell SEO, and I've got a great announcement for you. We've just been starting to announce this. I realized a couple of weeks ago that April of 2022 is going to be 20 years that Port Bell has been in business. 20 years that I've been doing web design and online marketing, SEO specifically. Of course, back then, 20 years ago, there was no such thing as SEO. It didn't exist. The I don't even remember when the acronym first started getting popular, but there was no such thing as it back then. We just called it getting a website to the top of the search engines. Anyway, we are celebrating 20 years in business by giving away 60 prizes throughout the month of April. That's right. In fact, it's over 60 prizes at this point. It might even be close to 70. But the only way to be eligible for the prizes is to be part of our Success Tips group, part of our club. So go to portbell.com, scroll down a little bit, and look for celebrating 20 years in business. Right next to that, you're going to see a little blue button that says click here. Join the club, be a part of our Success Tips Club, and you're also automatically going to be enrolled for one of the, well, to be eligible for a prize. I wouldn't say you're going to be guaranteed to win, but with 70 prizes, your odds are pretty good. We don't have that many people in our Success Tips Club, so you've got a pretty good chance of winning something. But you're also going to get weekly tips, updates, and of course, you're going to learn about what's going on with our latest Easy SEO and More podcast. But make sure that you stay in the club for the entire month of April because we're not going to be doing 60 giveaways at the end of the month. We're not going to be doing it at the middle of the month. We're going to be doing giveaways almost every day of the month in April. So the longer you wait to sign up, the less likely you are going to be to win. Sign up now because we're still in March right now. So sign up now. That way you're going to be ready on April 1st. No April Fools here. I'm going to be giving away 5 items on the first day of April. One person is going to be eligible to get or to be our local SEO training. It's a 3-week training how to do SEO yourself. That's right. You can learn to do it yourself. No, none of this techie nerdy stuff. The 3 most important things that you can do to get higher in the search engines, you can learn it yourself if you want. That's one of the prizes that we'll be giving away in April. It's a $495 value alone. We have over 60 more prizes we're going to be giving away, and I'm excited. I'm going to be talking about more of them later, but be sure to sign up for our success tips right now. Go to portbell.com, scroll down just a bit, click that blue link next to celebrating 20 years, and hey, I'll talk to you soon.